Good morning, Carcroft. It's Mr. Overly with your morning announcements. If you can please join us in standing. We've got Oliver again today doing our pledges.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Now for a Carcroft pledge. I pledge to be the best possible me. I'll be responsible, respectful, peaceful, and safe. No matter what I do, I know I can become better. I pledge to believe in me.
Great job. Let's stay seated or stay standing so that we can do some of our mindful breaths. Let's take a deep breath in through our nose. Back out. Deep breath in. Back out. Deep breath in. Back out. Two more. Deep breath in. Back out. And last one. Deep breath in. And back out. Excellent job. You may be seated. Today's Tuesday, April 21st. We do not have any birthdays today. Again, a couple events this week, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, lunches. We also have that new folder in Schoology. I know it was giving a couple people some problems yesterday. Hopefully we were able to work the bugs out. PTA meeting on Wednesday, 6:30 Zoom. And this is an interesting one. Take your child to work on Thursday. I know that sounds kind of crazy, but we do have some virtual ideas for you that we'll be sending your way. And then again, virtual Charlotte's Web movie night on Friday. We're working on ways to stream that. I don't think my Netflix idea was going to work, but I'll work on some ways and let you know. Again, Carcroft is calm or responsible, respectful, peaceful, and safe. Stay safe today. Have a great day today. It looks like it may be a little rainy this afternoon, so you might want to get out a little bit earlier today just to get outside, get some sunshine. Thank you, and have a terrific Tuesday today.